Today's tutorial, we will be covering how to customize the grid inside of any TMW program. Every TMW program is comprised of multiple grids and various layouts. Inside each of these grids is a series of columns. The default layout of any particular grid may not suit your eye, or you may be missing information that you would like to avoid having to scroll back and forth for. So the system allows you to customize the grid. In order to do that, you pick a column that you want to move. Let's use an example of driver name. And suppose you wanted to have this column more to the left of your screen. You simply left click the header, drag it to the position you want it to be in, and let it go. Now during this session that you're logged into that program, you'll have that grid layout available to you. However, if you want to use that grid layout in the future, you'll have to save it. In order to save it, you simply right-click inside the grid anywhere, go to the bottom of the menu to Layout, and click Save Grid Layout. You'll get a message saying that the grid has been saved successfully. Click OK, and that grid is now available for future use. And every time you open the program, you'll have that same layout. See you next time.